Racing just started well. Ingay was left behind. We have Cares. Break quick, let us start rushing up now. Warriors side it out, diving through the ladies foreign minister. Dugo Sprite comes next. Buko Juice. Then next online is Hyper Franco. Dumadagundong Paradiso. Then followed over by Northern Isabel. While New Golden City is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have foreign minister by about 3 lengths. Buko Juice in second. Cares is racing in third. Dugo Sprite comes next. Dumadagundong then followed by Paradiso. Northern Isabel comes next. New Golden City while Hyper Franco now racing in last. Back to the leader, we have foreign minister maintaining a 3 lengths lead. Cares in second. Then comes Buko Juice. Dumadagundong, Dugo Sprite, Northern Isabel comes next. New Golden City, Paradiso, while Hyper Franco is still racing in last. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have foreign minister maintaining a 6 lengths lead. Cares in second. Dugo Sprite is outside. Buko Juice, Dumadagundong as they swing for home. We have foreign minister while the rider Jackie J.B. Hernandez now saying, come on, let's go. Foreign minister now by about 10 lengths over Dugo Sprite, and finally foreign minister Dugo Sprite. Then comes Dumadagundong, Northern Isabel, number 1 New Golden City, and Buko Juice.
863-714 ang ating dating